Hey there, today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video of my latest Amazon purchase. These are the Sport headphones with built-in microphone, and as with all my purchases, I bought this item with my own money. I like doing these unboxing videos in case there's somebody else out there thinking about buying the same item, wants to get an idea of what does it look like when it comes in, what's the quality like, etc. So let me see if I can get these open. We'll take a look at everything it comes with. Oh, I see. It's taped on the sides here. There we go. Instruction manual. The instruction manual is sealed in plastic, which is a little unusual. More like an instruction pamphlet. Some earplugs. A nice little plastic case. Again, sealed in plastic. Is a standard Android charging cable. Not sure if you're going to be able to see that or not. And then the earphones themselves. They are lightweight. They feel like nothing. Here would be where your charging port is located. A couple small buttons here. I'm assuming for volume controls, maybe answering a phone, something like that. They are Bluetooth. Anyway, that's a quick unboxing. I hope it helps.